Join us on a flavorful journey through the history of KFC, one of the world's most beloved fast food chains. From its humble beginnings in a small roadside diner to becoming a global icon, discover how Colonel Harland Sanders crafted his secret recipe and transformed fried chicken into a cultural phenomenon. We'll explore the innovation behind KFC's menu, its expansion around the world, and the unique variations that cater to local tastes. Get ready for delicious facts, mouth-watering visuals, and insider stories that reveal what makes KFC so special. The story of KFC begins in the early 1930s when Harland Sanders opened a service station in Corbin, Kentucky. Here, he started serving meals to travelers who stopped for gas. Sanders' culinary talents soon caught on. He began using his pressure cooker to fry chicken quickly and efficiently, while maintaining its flavor and juiciness. By 1940, he had perfected his secret recipe that would later become legendary, comprising a unique blend of 11 herbs and spices. In 1952, after years of running his service station and restaurant combo successfully along US Route 25, Colonel Sanders decided it was time to franchise his fried chicken concept. He opened the first official Kentucky Fried Chicken franchise in Salt Lake City, Utah. The business model relied heavily on strict quality control measures and the uniqueness of his secret recipe. As word spread about the deliciousness of his fried chicken, and with its growing popularity, more franchises began opening across America. Throughout the late 1950s and into the 60s, KFC expanded rapidly across North America, thanks to effective marketing strategies that promoted Colonel's image and his story as a hardworking entrepreneur. Advertising campaigns highlighted the secret recipe and the promise of delicious, freshly prepared fried chicken. By the mid-1960s, KFC had over 600 outlets in the United States. The company continued to innovate during this period, introducing new menu items such as mashed potatoes with gravy, coleslaw, biscuits, and later on chicken sandwiches and wraps. The brand also embraced modern marketing techniques. They became one of the first fast food chains to use television commercials extensively. In 1965, Sanders sold KFC to a partnership that included businessman John Y. Brown Jr., but he remained involved in promoting the brand until his death in 1980. Under new leadership, KFC embarked on international expansion. Its first overseas restaurant opened in Canada in 1966. The late 70s saw further global growth as restaurants were established throughout Asia and Europe. One of KFC's most successful markets turned out to be China, where it was among the first Western fast food brands to enter after China's economic reforms began in 1978. Today, China is one of KFC's largest markets outside the US, showcasing menu adaptations like rice dishes and local flavors. Despite its success, KFC faced challenges during different periods due to competition from rival fast food chains like McDonald's and Wendy's. The health movement beginning in the late 80s also pressured fast food companies to adapt their offerings. In response to changing consumer preferences for healthier options, KFC diversified by launching grilled chicken products alongside traditional fried options, while continuing efforts on improving food quality standards across all locations. Today's KFC maintains a strong presence worldwide, with thousands of locations across more than 150 countries. In recent years, they have focused on sustainability initiatives by reducing waste reduction through better packaging solutions while sourcing ingredients responsibly. KFC continues leveraging social media for branding purposes while appealing directly to younger consumers through innovative marketing strategies that embrace digital campaigns, often capitalizing on viral trends or memes featuring their iconic products or mascot, the Colonel himself. From humble beginnings as a roadside diner serving travelers meals to becoming an internationally recognized symbol for savory fried chicken goodness, Kentucky Fried Chicken serves not only delectable food, but also stands testament to entrepreneurial spirit embodied by Colonel Sanders. With an unwavering commitment towards quality and innovation, KFC has successfully carved its niche within global food culture, ensuring every bite remains undeniably finger-licking good.